the campsite. We are leaving it.
Just to throw that on the side.
Back it up. Raining non-stop, and it's been raining hard. It's so muddy over there. So, strategize when we get back. Switch camping sites because it's too muddy over here. But
I'm grabbing a shovel just in case.
he's grabbing a shovel just in case we get stuck again. Oh, piled up, pack away. Oh, this is a big piece of land. It's huge. We have not even walked the whole property yet. So we can't figure it all out yet, but we will get there. Well, it's so beautiful out here, so peaceful. We lost track of time, track of day. No internet. Very disconnected. What I wanted. Off grid. Got what I wanted. Careful what you ask for. I know it's gonna be completely off grid. No internet service. And then I found out we are literally almost an hour away from the closest major city. Did not know that either. Thought I was only 20-30 minutes away. And I thought I was around the Lake of Ozark. We're not. We're an hour away from there too. But we are surrounded by water. We do have our private beach and lakes. So we can definitely put boats on and do the lake life. But we definitely gotta get a boat. There is a small town, like 5 minutes away. We can go there, but it's very small. They only have a Dollar General. That's it. That's all. Rain, rain, go away. Go, Mom. We got definitely rained out. But it did tell me the month of May is their rainiest month. It basically rain all through the month of May. So this is what it looks like when we leave, and when we get back, hopefully shit'll be dried. Hopefully. It's supposed to rain for another week. I wish everyone peace, love, and guidance on your life journey. Remember, Age of Aquarius, it's not about talking, it's about action. So whatever y'all have, goals and dreams, action, action, action. Soul tribes, love y'all. Peace and guidance.